All right, so in this video, we are going to take a look at the new lessons page on ScoreChaser. So I'm logged into my ScoreChaser account, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a link to lessons in the navigation. Lessons is going to bring you to a list of all of the lessons that are listed on ScoreChaser and available for booking. You can sort this list by region or by a date range. And you can also sort this list by any one of the column headers, which include the instructor or instructor business. Date is the default. You can also resort by location, state, or lesson title. Use the search box on the right-hand side of the screen to search for and shorten this list of lessons by any one of those data points. When you jump into the details for any one lesson, we'll look at the Clay Clinic for this example. You're going to be provided with a summary of what that lesson is going to offer. This particular instructor listed what the course covers and what you should bring. Next, you'll be provided with the cancellation policy that is created and enforced by the instructor business, location details for that lesson, and finally, in the instructor details, we provide you with a description of that instructor business, any information that they chose to share with you, which could include their shooting accolades, their philosophy on coaching, anything that they decide to share to the public, and a profile image for that instructor. On the right-hand side of this slip, you're going to see information about the lesson instance that you've clicked on. This particular lesson is available on Monday, February 26th. It's 55 minutes long and starts at 9 a.m. There are currently 2 spaces available, and the cost per adult is $350, while the cost for a youth shooter is only $125. To register for this lesson, you would click Register, and we'll show you a summary of that lesson instance just to make sure you've got the right date and time. You can choose to pay a deposit. The instructor business can also allow you to pay in full for that lesson. You'll have to agree to the instructor hiring terms and conditions by clicking in the box, and you can view those hiring terms and conditions by clicking on the link there. Next, we will prompt you to provide the shooter information that is booking the lesson. If you're logged into your ScoreChaser account, we're going to pre-populate as many of these fields as we can. Next, you are asked for your short-term and long-term goals. These are both optional fields where you can leave notes that will be shared with the instructor that you're booking with. Some instructor businesses may require an emergency contact information when you book. You'll provide that here. Because there were 2 slots available in this lesson, you have an opportunity to add a shooter. Maybe you're booking for another family member in addition to yourself. You can use the NSCA lookup field here to find that shooter if they're an NSCA member. Otherwise, you would just type in their information. Because we don't want to share the email or phone number for all our members, you will have to provide those 2 data points when you are booking. To remove the additional shooter, you would click on the minus and confirm that you want to remove this second shooter. And finally, you'll provide the billing information. You can copy the billing address and name from the first shooter by checking this box for the billing information, same as first shooter, and we'll copy that information over. Last, you're going to click on Book Lesson to confirm your reservation.